to all our viewers. This is a special edition of Project Talk where PropTiger is connecting you with the best in the industry. I'm Sneha Sharon and I'm joined by Team Godrej to discuss investment prospects in your city. Godrej is also going to unveil a special offer. Let's go through. Let's meet our panelists today. I'm joined by Mr. Mukesh Malani, Channel Head at Godrej. Welcome to the show, sir.
Hi, thank you.
Mr. Meghal Bhargav, Sales at Godrej. Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
We are also joined by Kamal Chandani, Area Head for PropTiger. Welcome
Hello,
back.
everyone.
Now, Godrej has been a known name in the Indian market. The company focuses on creating aspirational lifestyle and in doing so has become one of the choicest brands we know of. PropTiger is India's leading real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their home buying journey at zero brokerage for customers. May I now request Mr. Mulani and Mr. Chandani to go ahead with a brief introduction of the companies that they are representing.
Sure. So I'll start with highlight of Godrej Group as a whole. So first of all, thank you for inviting us on this presentation and interacting with a good number of crowd. So I'll start with the background of Godrej Group as a whole. Godrej Group was founded in 1897 and has a big legacy of almost more than 120 years. So I think we are proud to be associated with group like this, where whereas in 1990 they have established Godrej Properties as a whole, and from almost 199 from almost 1990 they are dealing into 14 major cities, dealing into residential and commercial project as in Godrej Properties. And Godrej Group as a whole is a conglomerate group, and their headquarters is based at Mumbai. And at this point of time, they have a bigger project available at Ahmedabad, for which we are discussing today.
So I come from PropTiger. PropTiger is a real estate advisory company. We are into market since 2011. We deal with end-to-end real estate solutions for our customers, right from identifying their needs to establishing a project, basis their needs, making the site visits arranged, and ultimately helping them in buying the property. This doesn't end here. We also help them in financial assistance if they want to avail some loan or any other, legal help which they want to seek relating to property.
Thank you. So today the project we are focusing on is Godrej Green Glades. But before we do that, I'm going to play a small video for the benefit of our viewers.
India, the fastest growing economy, is expected to soon be among the top economic powers of the world. Real estate sector in India is expected to reach a market size of $1 trillion by 2030. Like most prosperous and old cities of the world, Ahmedabad, the financial hub of Gujarat, has developed adjacent the riverbanks of Sabarmati. While transit-oriented development has made connectivity easier, multi-specialty hospitals, sports stadiums, and proximity to religious destinations and tourist attractions serve as an added advantage to investors. It is strategically located with great access to Mumbai and Delhi via both the railway line and national highway, and due to its steady transformation into an urban landscape, the city has turned into a house hunter's dream destination. Jagatpur, the northwest region of Ahmedabad, is in close proximity to major landmarks and is located just off SG Highway, which is Ahmedabad's fastest growing corridor of high value and high potential real estate. Major real estate brands come up with their milestone projects in here, and one among them is Godrej Properties. Ahmedabad's first of its kind self-sufficient township, Green Glades at Godrej Garden City, is an extensive mixed-use development and has everything you need to live a comfortable and a luxurious life. Abundant greenery, clean fresh air and convenient location, this property houses over 13,000 apartments and villas. Godrej Green Glades has its own retail space, City Square, well-segregated homes, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, etc., and is proposed to be surrounded by schools, playgrounds, malls, entertainment centers, hospitals, office spaces, and a lot more. Welcome to Green Glades at Godrej Garden City, a city within a city.
Thank you for that. Looks like aspirational lifestyle at Godrej Green Glades. Now we're going to pick up a few questions. Mr. Chandani, tell us, how is SG Highway as an investment destination and what is the scope of development?
So SG Highway, I would say, is the most sought after locality of rather area of Ahmedabad. So it stretches from Sarkhej in the east to Gandhinagar towards the west of Ahmedabad. The overall stretch is 45 kilometers. So it is perceived, and actually it is known to be that the properties surrounding SG Highways have always witnessed the highest appreciation and a good resale value. So SG Highway is strategically located region, being the airport is in close proximity. You have good connectivity with the railway station. You have good connectivity with all the major hospitals, malls, and all the educational institutes of Ahmedabad. Which is why I would say Jagatpur near SG Highway is more strategically located as compared to any other locality of Ahmedabad.
Mr. Mulani, home buyers always want to understand what is the USP of the project. There's a lot of choice in terms of inventory. Why should people side with Godrej Green Glades?
Right. So the question is very well defined question, and I would like to answer this question in a way that overall, if we see a market which is defined with various builders available in micro as well as macro market, Godrej Group as a whole has a strong fundamentals which we are talking about, and categorically, if we talk about Godrej Garden City and in that Green Glade cluster as a whole, which is available, the amenities are sort of strong amenities. What we have come up with, apart from township amenities, are like our cluster is having more than 40 amenities, which include swimming pool, gym, table tennis, squash, indoor outdoor game facilities. At the same time, the concept of 2x pure air is one of the scientifically driven method what we have identified. Green Glade as a whole we have defined as an 2x pure air along with 13,000 trees, and temperature of the township is as good as lesser than 2 to 3 degree as compared to rest of Ahmedabad market. So that states everything apart from amenities what other builders are providing versus what Green Glade as a whole and Garden City as a whole is providing.
Mr. Chandani, in terms of price movement in this market, as also the inventory movement, how does SG Highway fare?
So, like I said initially, that it is the most sought after locality. So, if you see in terms of development and in terms of price appreciation, Gota would be the best micro market in Ahmedabad, which has witnessed almost a two-digit kind of appreciation from past 5 years. I would still suggest the investors to look for a property for an area wherein the development is ongoing and it is endless. So SGI that too Jagatpur makes it more strategic location from investment standpoint and from appreciation standpoint. And moreover, people now tend to move outside the city. They have a tendency to move away from the center of city and live in pockets wherein they are well versed with the amenities and they are well connected with all the daily necessities which they are requiring. So it's a good choice after all.
Mr. Mulani, who is your target audience? Which age group is most active when it comes to buying a property in this neighborhood?
Sneha, so if we talk about target audience, I guess in this fast-moving global economy, when we are only talking about three necessities like food, clothing, and shelter, the basic necessity here is internet as well. So the target audience stating from age group of 22 to 23 who have just started earning, it goes up to age group of 50 to 60 who are about to retire. So we have a good set of target audience compiling from youngsters to the home buyers who are at the age of 55 to 60 as well. And at the same time, we also cater a large group of target audience categorically when we talk about cosmopolitan crowd. So we have a set of target audience where we are just not categorically focusing on Gujarati target audience who are based at Ahmedabad, but we are also focusing on the NRI markets. We are also focusing on metro cities like Mumbai, Delhi. So these are all target audience where we are identifying our set of customers, and a huge chunk of these set of buyers have already purchased a property in our Godrej Garden City township.
Mr. Bhargav, could you also tell me What is the availability of units here? What is the size of the units at Godrej Green?
So when you talk about the Godrej Green Glades, about the availability, so I will be happy to share that we sold off somewhere around 75 to 80% within, you can say, a year's time. So right now we have an availability of 20%, in which we have a 2 BHK, which is ranging with a carpet area of 624 square RERA carpet to 646 square foot RERA carpet. Then we also have a 3 BHK, wherein you find a good room sizes like 10 by 14 and 10 by 12, which you hardly get anywhere. That is a carpet area of 888 to 900 square foot, and a 3 BHK luxury, which is a proper 3 BHK, and that is 1134 square RERA carpet. So we have a good chunk of somewhere around 150 to 170 flats available as of now in Green Glades.
Thank you for that. I'd like Team Godrej to walk us through the project presentation now.
Yeah, thanks, Neha. So, just to all the viewers who are seeing this, like we are talking about Ahmedabad. So, when we talk about Ahmedabad, Ahmedabad is the financial capital of Gujarat. Correct. So, like normal, the capital is Gandhinagar. So, our project, when you see, connects to twin city of Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. Correct. So, when you see the Ahmedabad, it is having a high literacy rate, and high economic growth was observed in Ahmedabad from 2005 to 13. That is 10.1%. You might be knowing the maximum pharmaceutical companies are available in Ahmedabad. They have their headquarters and manufacturing unit in Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad is also known as the pharmaceutical hub. And the conditions what we see now, this will be the most a sector where the maximum jobs will be there. Uh, Also a popular investment destination for the people from Mumbai, or people from, you can say, Rajasthan side, and all the cities surrounding Ahmedabad, like Baroda, Rajkot, everywhere. So people with, because of the ticket size which is affording to everybody, and the rates which have not gone up, people prefer to be in Ahmedabad, and the kind of economy Ahmedabad has, with all the business perspectives and more of you can say jobs coming up in Ahmedabad, people have a good return on the investment. So all the major cities, people are investing. When we go to the product, this is the actual picture of the township what we have delivered. So as Mukesh rightly said, that with a brand name, we also deliver what we say. So there is some the actual picture of the township. We go to the sizes and things. So as I told, the 2 BHK range from 624 to 988. So 988 will be something with a terrace apartment of a 2 BHK, starting with the 47 lakhs onwards. 3 BHK will be 69 lakhs onwards, which is a carpet area of 888, a RERA carpet, and a 3 BHK luxury, which is 1134 square foot, which starts from 90 lakhs. And also, like those who are looking for a good penthouse on 22nd, 23rd floor in Ahmedabad to view, have a great view, that also option we have. So now the I can say the USP of Green Glades, a particular cluster, when you see, as Mr. Mulani told correctly, that is the purer air and the cooler home. So we do not launch a tower or a home, but we launch a concept in Godrej. So we have we launched with the concept of purer air, cooler homes, and greener lifestyle. We have more than 40 amenities in the cluster itself. So anybody of any class coming down, they can get all the amenities below that cluster. So now we have a very good hope. Right now, everybody is looking for a hope. So we do have that in our payment plan option. So it is 20% now, and rest at the time of possession. So here, the you can say client can get an option where his liquidity is not moving more from his pocket, just a 20% of the amount right now, and rest will be at the time of possession. No bank loans or no burden of EMIs till you get the possession in our township. So these are some of the actual photographs of the sample house of a 2 BHK. You can have a view of a living dining area, a kitchen, you can say a master bedroom on your left, and a second bedroom. So this will have this is how a 2 BHK will look. And when we talk about the rental yields, what Godrej Garden City people who have invested are getting is year on year it is 5%. So when you are investing somewhere around 40 lakhs, you get a rental of approximately for a furnished apartment is 20,000 monthly as of now. So it is a good rental yield when you compare the Ahmedabad market. So anybody trying to invest can invest at this point of time with a good rental yield also.
Do we have more of the presentation? Thank you for a detailed presentation, Mr. Bhargav. We'll move on to the audience questions now. The first question comes from Pramod Roy. He's asking, what is the benefit of siding with branded developers today? Prices are high and chances of delay are plenty.
So Sneha, may I answer this question?
Definitely, please go ahead.
Right. So this question is a generic question which answers to all the set of audience who are listening our webinar. So see, post RERA, I think there are very less chances of delay in any project, and in case due to situations like COVID, in case if there is any deviation in terms of possession timeline, it will be followed as per RERA guidelines. So I think investors need not to worry about the delay about the project, but at the same time, post RERA, things are very much sorted, and it is more in favor of investors and end users what RERA is looking for. But at the same time, builders like Godrej Properties also take care of the investors and end user who are planning to buy a property, and that's why the role of branded developers come in. So it is definitely the most preferred answer that you should go with a Cat A developer rather going in Cat B and Cat C developer. And Godrej Properties as a whole is, as we said, that it is carrying a legacy of more than 120 years. So I think this is a time to invest in trust rather than investing in any other products. So trust is the main highlight of this answer, I think.
There's another question coming to us on similar lines. In the worst case scenario, if the possession is delayed, will I be able to approach RERA? This is Manish Jaiswal.
I think, sir, it is an open forum, and RERA has this all facilities available that any customer can approach to RERA. And I think if you are investing in Godrej Properties, there will be no chance that you are going to RERA. It will be sorted at our end itself.
I want a tour of this property online. Is it possible? How can I be assured that it is genuine also? Mr. Chandani,
I think I think Kamal Bhai is the right person to answer this question.
So we have multiple tools for visiting the property online. We have a 360 view available. We have a virtual tour available. We have the drone view available. So whosoever is interested, our sales team will get in touch with the participants after this webinar, maybe along with the Godrej team, and they will assist them in viewing the property virtually online.
We have a question from Vaibhav Alok. He's asking, what is the brokerage fees that PropTiger charges?
That is absolutely zero. We are there to serve you, and this is a zero brokerage service that we render in the market.
Another question coming in. In the next 5 years, can I expect a good capital appreciation?
I would like to answer that. Yes, you can expect a good capital appreciation. By how much, I will not comment on that. But yes, having said that, during these tough times, basically a customer is more tendent to move towards roti, kapra and makan. Roti is being taken care by, you can see that FMCG companies are well taken care of and they are doing well. Rahi baat makan ki, to people have started looking for options. So those who are living on rent have started looking for an accommodation of their own. Those who have stayed for a long time of 45-50 days in their small apartment are actually planning to buy a bigger apartment. So there is going to be a shift. For those who are on rent, will try and look for a small apartment. जो छोटे अपार्टमेंट में रहते हैं वो बड़ा अपार्टमेंट देखेंगे, और जो बड़ा अपार्टमेंट में रहते हैं वो मे बी शायद बंगलो और विला में मूव करने का प्लान करेंगे. It will prepone the purchase plan of the customers. I would say कि जिसका प्लानिंग 5 साल बाद, 6 साल बाद, 7 साल बाद था, वो अभी इमीडिएट शॉर्ट टेन्योर में प्रॉपर्टी खरीदने का कोशिश करेगा। इससे फायदा ये होगा, जैसे ही डिमांड बढ़ती है हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं प्राइजेस बढ़ते हैं, तो जितना जल्दी इसमें कोई एंटर करेगा, जो जितना जल्दी प्रॉपर्टी परचेज करेगा उसको उतना ही ज्यादा फायदा फ्यूचर में होने वाला है। एंड 5 years इज अ राइट टाइम टू लुक एट अप्रिसिएशन। वी कम अक्रॉस क्वेश्चंस लाइक कि प्रॉपर्टी के भाव कितने बढ़ेंगे, कितने टाइम में बढ़ेंगे, तो 1-2 साल में तो कोई भी कमेंट नहीं करता। 5 years is a decent time. So if I compare 2015 to 2020, there has been a decent increase in the price. It is as good as 30 to 40% in any of the market of Ahmedabad. So if it is Gotha or maybe some other locality which is prospering big time, it is more than 50%. And if you take a horizon of another 5 years for this locality, I'm 100% sure and I can bet on that the prices are going to increase and in more than proportion.
Mr. Mulani, Vidhu Chopra wants to know whether this 2080 scheme is applicable only for local residents or is it applicable for NRI buyers as well?
So yes, hope is for all, and this hope will continue with all the people residing in Ahmedabad, outside Ahmedabad, and outside India as well. So hope itself says that we are here for everybody who is struggling with COVID situation. So 2080 is applicable for everybody.
And I would like to add on that. So for customers who are looking for financing options on that, 20% of 2080, we are there to help them as well. So even if you have practically nothing in your pocket and if you are looking to buy a property with 2080, we will assist you in procuring that 20%. We have various options available. We can get in touch with you and probably help you with the same.
Thank you. The next question comes in from Priyesh Gupta. We are a family of 4 and looking to invest in a 3 BHK in a reputed construction. We have 2 kids and we want to ensure that this locality is safe to invest in. Please help.
Sneha, I will like to answer this question and you go like correct. So like when they talk about the kids, so the properly a Green Glades cluster, what we are talking right now, has approximately 40 amenities, which covers a toddler's room, a TV room, correct, a cricket pitch, or you can say a swimming pool, a splash pool, as well as you can say a gym. So the children's, when they will be going to or looking at the cluster particularly, they will be happy to see that they do not need to go anywhere and they do not need to ask their parents, okay, can I go? Just they need to go down staircase and enjoy the lifestyle what we are offering in Green Glades.
How is water supply in this project? So when you're talking about that, could you also elaborate about the other amenities for the benefit of our viewers? Team Godrej?
Meghal, I think you can answer that. Water supply. Or
can you, Sneha, water supply when you see, you can say in the township, so every cluster has its own bore, correct? Borewell water is available for each and every cluster, and each and every tower has its own borewell available. So water facility is available 24/7. And as you know that till now the township has been managed by JLL and United, right? So it is, you can say, a proper water management has been done to each and every home. And Ahmedabad as in city does not face a water problem. So it is properly available now.
There's Jayesh asking us, I'm a bachelor looking to buy a property in Godrej. Can you tell me whether there's any subvention plan?
Yeah, so Sneha, I will just answer to that. So it is the right thing to buy a property when you are a bachelor. So you have your own decision in making. So yeah, we do have a subvention plan as mentioned, 2080, in which there is no bank involved. You just need to pay a 20% there and 80% at the time of possession. So your EMI and that won't start, and you can enjoy your bachelor life for next 2 years, having a home in your bag and a checkbox ticks that one home I have. So yeah, you have a subvention, builder subvention plan available.
Yes, Vikas asking us, is there a price advantage if I invest here and not in any other upcoming location in Ahmedabad?
So Sneha, I would like to answer this question with a non-quote that experience is what you get when you don't get what you want. So with our past experience, what we have delivered so far in Godrej Garden City, so we have seen that appreciation of more than 100% is being done in our delivered projects. So the first phase which we have launched with name of Orchid Cluster, that product was launched somewhere between ticket size of 24 to 25 lakh rupees, whereas pricing of that has been today is 50 lakh. So we may not quote what will happen in future, but we'll definitely quote what it had happened in past. So basis of that, our past experience, I would definitely say that pricings of our Godrej Garden City as an township will definitely go up in coming period of time.
Yes, Maulik Poonawala asking us, how much rent can I expect if I invest in this project? Will a reputed builder project fetch me more? So we've already discussed about rental here, but if you could reiterate it, it would be good.
So I would definitely love to answer this question, because rental is one set of target audience what many of the investors are looking for, and we have a very strong foot in this rental yield, because as of now in specific this micro market, we are number one providing highest rental yield. So 1 BHK ticket size of which starts with 25 lakh rupees is providing a rental yield of 16,000 rupees per month. That is fully furnished, whereas 2 BHK ticket size starting with 47 to 48 lakh rupees, rental yield is as good as 20 to 22,000 rupees per month. So I think this with this set of rental yield what currently we are providing, it will definitely go up in coming period of time, because lots of corporates are coming in. So few renowned corporates like Intas is there, Zydus is there, and Adani is also having their corporate house in nearby. So I think with this set of corporate houses which are coming in, it will definitely boost further rent as well.
The next question comes from Mr. Gulati. Please let me know which banks can help me with home loans. I'm an upper middle class buyer and I wish to buy this property within May. Mr. Chandani and Mr. Mulani, I would like both of you to take up this question. From the developer side, how is the home loan working out? And from PropTiger, if somebody approaches you for home loan assistance, what is the process like?
Mukesh bhai, you can probably assist them with the list of banks. I will help them with the set of process.
Sure. So when we talk about home loans affiliation with Greenglade, then we have HDFC, which is a renowned bank, which is tied up with us. At the same time, there are very much of government banks which are also approved with us. But I guess but I guess the right answer to this question is getting home loan is much more easier as compared to it was in past. Youngsters who are still at the initial stage of their career, they can plan for a home loan, and bank are very much helpful to them providing a home loan. At the same time, with 2080 payment plan, when we are talking about at this point of time, you don't have to go with a loan option today. You just have to arrange 20% fund, for which definitely PropTiger is also assisting you for doing that, and 80% you have to pay at the time of possession, which is say after 1.5 to 2 years.
Manish Rana asks us, what are the maintenance charges in this project and what are the facilities for families with kids?
Yeah, Sneha will take this question. So maintenance, when you see, so we'll be taking 50,000 rupees as in 2 years advance maintenance at the time of possession from the, you can say, buyer. And when you see the facilities, what they get, that is all the amenities which are there, like 40 amenities when you see, correct. All are like your school, gym, swimming pool, basketball court, volleyball court, the senior citizen sit out, children's play area, also the, you can say, a banquet hall. This all facilities what they are getting within this cluster.
There is a question coming from Vijay Chettiar. Please help. Is it a safe time to buy a home? Also, if I can wait, can I expect better discounts and concessions?
So I will take up this question. I will answer this question in a form of question that, say for an instance, if you have recently purchased a home, say for 50 lakhs, will you be selling it for a price lesser than 50 lakhs? The answer would be no. So same applies to the developer as well. So there is some cost involved, cost of labor, material, technology, and the biggest cost is land. So I do not think that their prices are going to come down by this in the near future. It is the best time, reason being not in terms of pricing, but in terms of payment flexibility, which you'll get. The kind of schemes which you are getting right now may not be the scenario in coming future, wherein everyone would be cash hungry and would be running behind your life to get as much disbursement or cash payment from your side. It is the right time to make an investment in real estate. If you want to buy the property, you will be getting best of the best payment options and the payment flexibility options. Prices going down, I do not foresee it in the near future, maybe in a long run. So your question, your concern is, is genuine, considering that there is a pandemic going all across. But then, let's be very realistic. Prices of real estate do not come to 10 down big time, because gone are the days wherein the developers used to have big margins. Now they are operating on very narrow margins, so the scope of bringing down the prices is nowhere.
Thank you. Thank you. The next question comes from Lavkesh. How do you update home buyers about construction status?
Sneha, I will like to just answer the question. So, when a buyer has purchased a property with Godrej, correct? So he can always see the you can say live update on the RERA website, as well as we update them through their login IDs also. So they get the updates via pictures and everything from our CRM team.
There's Gaurav Banerjee who's asking us, I need to buy a house now. What units do you have and the costing, please? He wants to know about the availability. Could you reiterate that, please? Mr. Bhargav, would you want to take that?
Yeah, so I can take that. So we have a good availability with us, correct? Once this webinar is done, we can, I think Kamal will help you out with sales team to connect with our sales team. So we can give you the exact preferred unit by you and make easy for you to choose the unit and the best pricing what we can offer for this. So we will be getting in touch once this webinar is over as to choose your perfect unit. Right, Kamal? I think.
Yeah. No, my sales team will get in touch with them.
We've got a question. Your presentation talked about investor buying and investing, and I want to understand. This question is not very clear. I want to understand the costing of the properties. Could you go through the rates, please, once again? What are the 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs and their costs? Because I've got a couple of questions on the same lines.
Yes, Neha. So I will just take you through. So when you talk about a 2 BHK, which is starting from a 624 square foot RERA carpet and goes up to 646 square foot RERA carpet. So price ranges from 47 lakhs starting and goes up to 51, 52 lakhs according to the unit what the buyer is choosing over there, because there is a little bit of a size difference. So your 2 BHK range from 47 to 51, 52 lakhs pricing. Then when we talk about a 3 BHK, which is 888 square feet to 900 square feet, that will be approximately around 70 to 75 lakhs pricing. And then we talk about a 3 BHK luxury, which is again an 1134 square feet RERA carpet, which will range from 90 lakhs to 97, 98 lakhs according to the unit what buyer is preferring.
Mr. Chandani has a question for you. Are there any hidden charges if I buy this property from PropTiger? How does PropTiger work if there is zero charges for customers?
So we are there in the system to ensure transparency, and developers like Godrej will never, do any kind of hidden thing with the customers. And it is the first and foremost priority for brands like us and for brands like Godrej. The customer satisfaction is of utmost priority to us. There is no hidden charges whatsoever. Is being communicated to you on white and black and on a piece of paper. So you need to acknowledge that. Basis that only the deal gets done. So there are no hidden charges in terms of anything when you purchase the property.
We have another question coming in from asking us, will prices crash in future? Is my investment going to be safe?
Sorry, Mukesh bhai, continue.
Sure. So Sneha, this is the question where when we are talking to clients, we are generally getting this questions that pricings are like slashed price, or it will further go down. So I think Ahmedabad as a whole is at very strong product life cycle stage today, because as like other metro cities, when we are seeing that pricings are at saturated stage, Ahmedabad is not like that. So Ahmedabad is at growing stage, and pricings are further going to be further stable, and it will go in nearby future, and pricings are not going to get drastically low after COVID as well.
Okay. Mr. Chandani, would you want to add to that?
Just an addition to it. So it is just a sentimental thing. People who have recently purchased the property are getting a bit skeptical about their prices going down. But believe me, no developer will want to reduce the price. There are two reasons for it. They are not going to kill, or the profits which they plan, or they are not going to shell out of their pocket. Second is, there are a set of investors who have already purchased. So if you reduce the prices, it is going to be an injustice for them who have already purchased the property to the developer. Now it becomes a very difficult thing for the developer to to attend those customers who have bought the property in past, and answering them that the prices you have published recently are actually less, and you have sold the property to us on a higher rate. So it is not going to be the case, specifically in developers wherein there is a decent set of cash flow, the brand value is strong, and the financial structures are strong. So prices are not going to come down. At worst, it is going to remain stagnant, but not going to come down.
On similar lines, we have somebody asking us, are investors investing during the lockdown, as cash or liquidity is the biggest challenge now? Moreover, a lot of investors are liquidating their property investments as they are not able to pay. What are your views?
So practically there are no cash transactions happening, and we do not deal in transactions like that. No one in the market with a good reputation will do that. There are investments happening. There have been a couple of transactions which have happened through us in the recent past. Even after the lockdown, you won't believe that there are clients who are ready to purchase properties worth 1 crore and above. There have been a couple of transactions which has happened, and it gives me an immense trust that the sentiment is going in the right directions. So specifically, if I talk about the NRI market, there is a lot of money which is pouring in from the NRI market, because things are not that great in the global countries. So yes, people have started making investment specifically in under construction projects. Reason being, under construction project is technically not possible to visit the physical project. So any which ways they are going to see the product on a piece of paper, maybe in terms of brochure. So any which ways we are making them avail the the brochure available on online, and also the virtual tour is available. So I think under construction is traction. The traction of under construction is picking up, and the investors are making decent amount of investment in under construction properties.
Okay. We have another question from Ankita Panchal. What is the super built up area of your 2 BHK flats and the carpet area? Any flat available of the same configuration with balconies?
So I will take that question. So as per RERA guidelines, we share the carpet area with you, which I think in past I've shared. So just to again give that. So we have a 2 BHK starting from 624 square feet, and it goes to 646 square feet as of now. So this is the RERA carpet area, correct? So super built up as of now, there is nothing like super built up. We sell on the carpet areas only. And the other question which I think she has, so she has is there a balcony flat available? So for 3 BHK, yes, every flat has a balcony. And for a 2 BHK, we have, I think, 1 or 2 units available with us. You can, we will be connecting you again through our sales team to help you out to get the unit with a balcony.
There's a question from the audience. After this webinar, how can I get in touch with you to understand the project and inquire about it soon after?
Sir, if required, we will get in touch with you. And any which ways, whosoever participant is seeking interest, our sales team will get in touch with them in collaboration with the Godrej team.
Mr. Mulani, there's a question for you. What do you think of online home sales? This is an audience, a participant asking us, what do you think of online sales?
So see, this is nothing new for us dealing with clients for online sales, because any which ways we have a huge chunk of NRI markets who are definitely dealing with us in online sales. Sitting from other countries, they are booking property just on name of Godrej Properties, and I think this online sale will further continue, and customers who are definitely planning to buy the property in coming months, they can trust the word Godrej, and they can just transfer the funds in Godrej account and book the property. So online sales is further going to get continued with the trust Godrej Properties. They don't have to think twice. They just have to go ahead.
Another Uday is asking us, how many floors are in this apartment?
So I will take that question, Sneha. So there is 23 floors. So your residential floors start from the first floor itself until the 23 floors.
What is in this project for senior citizens? What facilities are available for me?
Yes, Sneha. So I will take that question. So when you particularly talk about the Green Glade cluster, we have you can say, as I mentioned before, that there is a 40 amenities present over there. Correct. So we have a senior citizen set out. We have a 1.5 acres of green area in Green Glades, where you can say a senior citizen can go at any point of time and have a walk in its own, you can say, cluster. And when we talk about the township thing, so as you all know, that is a 215 acres township. So for the senior citizen, we have a proper road in which there are 13,000 trees, correct? So which give a peaceful walking for a senior citizen in the morning time or in the evening time. We also have, you can say, within the township, gardens. There are two gardens of approximately 1.5 to 2 acres, where they can enjoy the evening or the morning uh, of the senior of the time.
I think we'll have to wrap up the webinar right now. We'll have each of our panelists give us a closing statement. Starting with you, Mr. Milani.
So yes, home is the only medicine today, and stay home, stay safe till the time COVID gets over. But you can definitely, by staying at home, you can book the property. And Godrej is the only name you can trust for today. And Green Gate is very wonderful project you can look for, and very well presentation organized by PropTiger, and very well presentation given by Meghal. So 5 star from my side to Godrej Garden City. Go and from my side.
So I will like to add on to what Mukesh bhai said. Buy a home, stay home, and then stay safe. So it is the right time for you to buy a property and with a reputed brand like Godrej. And what struck my mind during this webinar, even I was not, very particular about this. Actually, 15% cooler homes at this time of summer scorching heat is a very beneficial advantage. So when the temperature is soaring to 45 to 50 degree, 15% drop is a big relief. It is like 6 to 7 degree drop. So I think it is the best time to pursue an option like this and stay cool, stay home, stay safe.
Mr. Bhargav.
Yeah, I will first of all like to thank everybody who has joined for this webinar, and also the PropTiger team for arranging such a good webinar at such times and trying and making us connect to the clients. I will also say the same thing: stay home, stay safe, buy a home in which you can stay safe with Godrej Properties, with a hope of 2080 payment plan, where there is hardly any harm to your liquidity and you have a home with your. Thanks a lot. Thanks, Neha. Thanks, Kamal.
Thank you, panelists, for being with us today and answering the queries. Thank you, viewers, for joining us on Project Talk. We hope to have answered some of your queries. Should you have any questions, our representatives will get back to you. You could also use our social media handles to drop in your questions. Till yet another episode of Project Talk, stay safe, stay healthy and happy. Good